Have you perhaps spotted these talking watches online and was curious about it? In the advertising materials they show these old people that I suppose cannot see properly, so now their watch can tell them the time. Yes, that sounds about right. A watch tells the time. I hope they just realized old people might also not be able to hear very well. So I hope there's some volume in it. Talking watch. And there, I suppose it's talking watch model. What is that? XJ-665E. Quality assured firm, ISO 9001. The Enterprise has passed the ISO 9001 quality control system verification. Sounds promising, I guess. Let's see what we have here. Here is the watch and a little instruction manual, I take it. Talking watch operating instructions. Alright, the buttons are there. Oh, here seems to be another model. Mode change. Interesting. Alarm setting to set time. Okay. Choose the alarm sound. Turn on or off the alarm. Turn on off hourly announcement. Okay, you can do that. Snooze function. Alright. So you have a snooze function. Talk the current time. In normal time display mode, press B4 button, it'll take the current time. Battery replacement, maintenance instructions. When water resistant marked on the watch is this one. We will have a look now. Watch can withstand water splashing and rain but can't fall into the water. When 30-meter water resistant marked on the watch, you can wear it while swimming or washing the car, but don't press any buttons in the water. When 50-meter water resistant marked on the watch, you can wear it while swimming or poolside diving, but don't press any buttons in the water. Avoid wearing it in broiling, freezing or vibrant environment. Avoid wearing it in strong electric field, static or high cycle environment. Keep it away from gasoline, detergent, spraying agent, adhesive and paint. Wipe the watch surface with soft cloth and clear water. Don't use chemicals. The watch is made of precision electronic parts. Don't open the cover by yourself. Okay, hopefully that crash course qualified us to operate this watch. Now let's just take it off of this cardboard. And there it is. We got here, what is that? XINXIA mode, talking hour, minute. No buttons on the sides. Alright. Now of course we want to hear the talking, so let's hear the talking. Oh dear, did you hear that? Can you even hear that? Because even up to my ear I can imagine it's far too soft for anybody to hear in an outdoors environment or wherever. Is there anything about changing the volume? Unfortunately it seems not. Oh dear man, that kinda defeats the purpose, doesn't it? I'm gonna try wearing it. Oh, but look at this. The little strap is actually far too short. Well, I suppose on the very last hole I can sort of make it. Yeah, it's alright, I suppose. It just makes it. Did you hear that? No, man. If there's gonna be any noise in the room, you're really not gonna hear this. So let me hear it right up to the camera and you can hear. Do you hear it now?
4:39 a.m.
See, I have to hold it really right up there.
4:39 a.m. 4:39 a.m.
Let me take it away a bit. Do you even hear that? Ah, no, I'm afraid that's not gonna do. Is there really no volume setting here? There's like no other buttons. Mode? No, that's just the mode. Different modes, I suppose.
12 o'clock a.m.
See, I can almost not hear that. Hour. Ah, no way to set the volume, it seems.
4:40 a.m.
Okay, well, I suppose that is this talking watch then. If you see it online and you thought you're gonna help somebody who cannot see close by on their watch by giving them a talking watch, well, maybe you get some others out there that are really loud. This XINXIA, is it XINXIA? or I don't know. This kind is just not gonna do it because the volume is far too soft and the speaker is far too small. It's far too sharp.
4:41 a.m.
That's just not gonna do in a noisy environment, I can imagine. So now you know, if you ever get yourself one of these, don't expect you're gonna have a technological friend to chat with close by all the time, because you'll probably not hear it unless you put it right up to your ear. Ah, yeah, you don't say. And how are you? Really? You're 442? Man, you should go on a diet, I say. Yeah, your mom too. Alright, hit the like, subscribe, and we'll chat about more stuff. Maybe even about another talking watch, because I do actually have another model coming up, but I think it's just about the same as this one.